Munish, who's been tracking the CBI finally. Munish, take us through chronology. CBI's day one, what has happened till now, what's expected today?
Yeah, well, Preeti, in this case, remember, before the Supreme Court judgment, one part of the investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation was already complete, which means that they had already a statement from the family members and the bank officials in connection to this case. Now, after this case was transferred to the CBI from the Supreme Court, the CBI team reached yesterday, and since then they are already recording statement of two key witnesses in the case, the cook and the house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. Apart from that, they have got crucial evidence, and apart from those bed sheets, the clothes from which Sushant Singh Rajput allegedly committed suicide, and the case diary, which is going to be very crucial, because case diary not only mentions the Panchnama but also mentions the post-mortem report, autopsy report and other forensic reports. So these are going to be very crucial. Now what CBI is claiming at this point of time is that they are taking expert of forensic science experts, and they will be asking them to analyze the photographs of crime scene so that they can understand whether it was a case of suicide or whether it was a case of murder. Apart from that, the clothes which has been taken into custody by the CBI from Mumbai police, now there will be an analysis by the forensic experts to rule out whether there are any DNA traces or not, apart from Sushant Singh Rajput's DNA. If there are there is any DNA of any other person, then that person will be directly suspect in the case, and that is going to be again a very crucial evidence for the Central Bureau of Investigation. So as of now, this entire team, there are 20% of CBI officials and 80% of forensic experts in the case. So the Central Bureau of Investigation is heavily relying on the forensic science experts in the case, and that is why two teams of forensic experts are already for field survey, and they are collecting evidence from field, and they are also analyzing the forensic report, the photographs and the
one that we're looking into very closely is how India Today has exclusively now accessed the CBI's probe plan of how they will go about investigating the case. As part of their first plan, the CBI team will first probe photographs of the crime scene. The Mumbai police has already handed over the case files to the CBI today. The Central Probe Agency will now examine photographs taken on the day Sushant was found dead in his Bandra flat. As part of their second plan, they will examine Sushant's forensic report. The crime scene examination, combined with forensic examination and post-mortem report, will give the CBI a clear picture about the nature of the crime. I want to go back right now to Mustafa and Munish. I'll cut across back to Mustafa and Munish right now. And Munish, continuing the conversation before we go to Mustafa, when is CBI going to investigate Riya Chakrabarti? Because that clearly is on everybody's radar.
Before interrogating Riya Chakrabarti in this case, they want to record the statement of key witnesses in the case, and the statement is being recorded under CRPC 161, that is examination of witness. Now two key witnesses, Neeraj, the cook of Sushant Singh Rajput, and Samuel Miranda, who was the former house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, they are being questioned as we speak. Now it's been almost 4 hours, CBI is still questioning Neeraj in this case, and the key questions are what happened on 13th and what happened on 14th when Sushant was found dead. Who was the first person to enter inside the room? Who was the person who took the body down from ceiling fan to the bed? Who was the person who cut the cloth from which allegedly Sushant was hanging? So these are the questions which Neeraj is answering at this point of time. Now Samuel Miranda is being interrogated in a different location. He is being asked about what was his relationship with Riya Chakrabarti, because there are a number of calls every day between Riya Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda. Now there is also one allegation that those staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput who were close to him, they were replaced by Samuel Miranda on the instructions of Riya Chakrabarti. So they want to first understand the nature of relationship between Riya Chakrabarti and Sushant through these people, and what went wrong on 13th and 14th. They are going to do interrogate them, and then only they will be summoning Riya Chakrabarti for questioning. After that, they will come to the crime scene and I'm standing right in front of Sushant building where Sushant was founded. I will request my camera person Prashant to show you the visuals of the building. You know, this flat, according to the Central Bureau of Investigation, holds the key of the investigation. Now it's been 2 months. CBI claims that there are no evidence available in this flat, and that is why they have to heavily rely on the forensic experts. A team is expected today. They will come and do a survey of the location, and tomorrow they will recreate the crime scene to understand the nature of crime which took place that particular day.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.